Okay, I have to show you this because it looks just like a real newborn. This is an 18-inch reborn baby doll, and thank you so much to the brand for sending her to me. The details on this doll are honestly impressive. From the big blue eyes with the hand-applied eyelashes to the soft vinyl skin with lifelike veins, tiny wrinkles, and even half-moon nails. She has posable limbs so you can position her naturally, and she's super soft and cuddly to hold. She comes beautifully packaged in a gift box and includes so many accessories: feeding toys, a nursing bottle, a pacifier, and even a birth certificate card, which makes this perfect for gifting. The size is just right for little hands, and the realism makes playtime feel extra special. If you're looking for a reborn doll that truly looks and feels like a real newborn, this one is such a sweet option. Shop this product. The link is in the description and also pinned in the comments.